This is your daily dose of internet. This truck was moving a wind turbine blade over these train tracks, and they didn't do a very good job with planning ahead.
What? Oh shit! Holy shit!
The truck driver didn't sustain any major injuries.
Jesus! What the fuck?
A few days ago, 15 buildings in China had to be knocked down at the same time. The buildings were never completed and were seen as too dangerous to live in.
My house! I lived there! That's my house! No!
Granny, what are you doing?
I'm having a cookie.
Granny, those
My
cookies aren't for
house.
you.
What do you mean? They,
I live on the
it's for
street.
everybody. You bought them only to you.
Street.
No, but I didn't buy them for me either. Granny, they're dog treats.
One of my subscribers has a dog that wants to bite every car that passes by.
Look at the little doggy. That's cute. Chicken nugget.
A few years ago, a
Oh!
space probe landed on a comet and briefly captured these images.
Wait, what? How?
One of my subscribers recorded this amazing lightning strike.
Whoa! Oh! Oh my god.
I found a cool video of a robot that uses lasers to destroy weeds that are growing on farms.
My weed! No! That's pretty cool. Ugh!
Someone noticed
That's
that a bag
weird.
of chips they bought had absolutely no chips inside.
Look
It
at
was
you.
just a bag of air.
I mean,
The video's ending now, so I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
oh. I mean, that's pretty much like what you get anyway. I don't think that's a scam. That's pretty much what you get.